Before we continue, the effect zigzag is also cool and worth mentioning. Zigzag does exactly do what its name sounds like. So let's again take the circle and add a zigzag effect. We go up to Effect, then go down to Distort and Transform and go to Zigzag. And as you can tell, we can make a star from the circle. So again, I'm just playing around with these settings to create something cool. Let's increase the richness per segment a little bit more. This looks almost like a blue sun. So let's make a sun out of it. And now I'm going to change the color to yellow. There you go.